In this video, I will show you how to start a Hulu free trial. So to do this, first just go and download the Hulu app on your phone or go to hulu.com, and from there you will have a few options. Now what I would recommend doing is clicking on start building right there, and then here you can choose which exact plan you want. So first, would you like a no ads plan? So if you want no ads, that will cost $9 more compared to with ads. So just select whichever one you want. Then here you can choose if you want Disney Plus and ESPN, or just Hulu for now. Now you can select whichever one you want. And if you, for example, click on Disney Plus, then it will be Hulu and Disney Plus. Now you can see you can add it on for pretty cheap. So Disney Plus is just an extra $1 in this case, but I'll just go for Hulu. Then it will ask, would you like to add live TV, which will be quite expensive, but you can also click keep the plan the way it is. And then from there you can click choose this plan. Then it will take you right here where you can enter your email. Then click continue. Then you will need to confirm your email, so go and click confirm. Now here, go and enter a password for your account. Then enter your name, birth date and gender. And then click agree and continue. And then it will take you to the billing. So from here you can see you need to add your billing info, and you can still upgrade to having no ads if you want. Now you can see you will claim a free trial because the total due today is 0. And after that you can see when it ends right here, which is in about a month. So you will get a 30-day free trial, or at least that's what I get here. And then from here just choose if you want to use credit card or PayPal as your payment method, and then just enter your details and click submit, and then you will have started your Hulu free trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.